So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to join on this boundary points or some random GPS points manually in our arc map. So okay, let's get started. First of all, after you overlay your boundary points in your arc map, then there are some instances where you cannot join the point through points to line feature, so we have to join it manually. For this, so first you have to overlay the points in your arc map. Then the first step is you have to click on this catalog here. If you can't find catalog, and then just go to Windows. Here you can find the catalog. Then after you find the catalog, and just go on home, and it if you go on home, then it directs you to the point or to the file where you have saved your arc map. Then right click in this home, then click in new and go to save file. Okay, now we are creating polygon. So here is point, so we have to click here polygon and just name the polygon, just say polygon for instance, and set the coordinate system. As I have earlier told you that Nepal has two coordinate system, 44 and 45 N. So identify your UTM zone and just click it and just click OK. Okay, after clicking that, here is your polygon. So first of all, click in this square box and just change the color to hollow, because if it is not hollow, it can block your view while creating polygon. So okay, after converting it into hollow, now we have to start editing. Okay, now we are going to start editing or convert it into polygon. So right click here polygon and click edit features and click start editing. Okay, here is our editor. You can see here editor button, and if you can't find editor here, right click here in blank space here. Here it is, editor is tick marked here. If it is disabled, the editor disappears. Here you can see editor is not there. So click in editor and enable it. Now go to create feature here. If you can't find create features here in the editor section, you can find create feature button here. Now after start editing, just go to catalog feature. Catalog feature is here in editor section. In the last you can find create feature. Just right click here, so it appears here. Just expand it. Just click on polygon here, and after clicking polygon and right click here, mark the polygon down also there. Then we start joining points manually. Now this is point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3, this is point 4, this is point 5, this is point 6, this is point 7, this is point 8, this is point 9, this is point 10, and this is point 11. Okay, after this double click here. So this is our polygon. So this is our polygon. So after here, just stop editing. Do you want to save edits? Yes. And now you can finally change the color of the polygon as per your need. So yeah, here is yet our polygon, or we can add points manually to create a polygon.